In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to an Epson printer. So let's get started. First thing we need to check is whether your Epson printer supports AirPrint. A lot of newer Epson printers do, and if yours does, this is the fastest setup. So now you're gonna do is make sure your iPad and Epson printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You want to make sure that's done, and if they're not on the same Wi-Fi network, the printer won't show up because your iPad won't be able to detect the Epson printer using iPrint. Now, let's try to actually print something once you're connected. And what you're gonna try and doing is, let's maybe go to your notes, and what you wanna do is just go ahead and, well, in my case, let's try ahead and print this. No, for example, it's just a bunch of nonsense, but we probably have a proper note. You're gonna go ahead and click on the share button on the top right corner, and you're gonna scroll down till you find print. You're gonna go ahead and click that, and a pop-up will appear, and here you want to go ahead and click on printer. And if everything is done right and your printer has AirPrint and it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPad, it should show up here. Your Epson printer should show up here, and after that you can go ahead and print whatever you want, whether it be photos or a note from your notepad or anything relatable. But if your printer doesn't appear, Epson has a free app called Epson iPrint. Install it and open the print app. Let me go ahead and install it first. I'm gonna go ahead and search Epson iPrint, and you're gonna go ahead and open it, and we'll just agree. Okay. And okay, so now you're gonna just go ahead and it asks you right here, just it said allow Epson print to find Bluetooth devices. What it's doing is trying to search for the Epson printer near you. So you're gonna go ahead and allow that, and you're gonna just go ahead and click here, because that's where you're gonna tap to select the printer. We're gonna allow that, and well, it's gonna go ahead and search for printers, and if it's connected to a Wi-Fi, and obviously the same Wi-Fi as you, even if your printer doesn't have iPrint, it will still show up here. And once it's here, you're gonna go ahead and click it, and from here on you can go ahead and print your photos, documents, and even scan. But if the printer isn't showing up, try restarting the printer, maybe restart the Wi-Fi on your iPad, and make sure the printer firmware is updated and it is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your iPad. You can't connect most Epson printers directly to an iPad using a USB cable. Wireless printing is how iPads are designed to work. So yeah, connecting an iPad to Epson printer is really simple if you have iPrint, but if not, you can go ahead and download their official app from App Store, and that also works. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.